The 7 Best Dog Foods of 2022. 1. Best Overall Dry, Hill Science Diet Small Bites. 2. Best for Puppies, Purina Pro Plan Puppy Dry Dog Food. 3. Best Overall Wet, Blue Buffalo Homestyle Recipe Adult Wet Dog Food. 4. Best for Senior Dogs, Nutro Natural Choice Senior Dog Dry Food. 5. Best for Small Dogs, Merrick Healthy Grains Dry Dog Food. 6. Best for Large Dogs, Royal Canin Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food. 7. Best for Allergies, Wellness Simple Limited Ingredient Recipe. Click the link in bio to get free rewards for your dog.